NaN is not recognized in pandas after np.where clause. Why? Or is it a bug? NaN is not recognized in pandas after np.where clause. Why? Or is it a bug? The last line of this code should be true.
You can see why if you look at the result of the where. Because your other value is a string, where converts your NaN to a string as well and gives you a string D-type result. The exact D-type you get may differ depending on your platform and/or Python version, so you don't actually have a NaN in your result at all, you just have the string NaN. If you want to do this type of mapping, in particular, mapping that changes D-types, in pandas, it's usually better to use pandas constructs like .map and avoid dropping into numpy, because as you saw, numpy tends to do unhelpful things when it has to resolve conflicting types. Here's an example of how to do it all in pandas.